Ciira wigie mugunda wa Thibitari wa War Memorial urathii na mbere na kwigariura kuria arugomereri na maabitha a mugunda uyu mathitangitwo weru igoti-ini ria Naikuru. Atano aya aria ni Simon Mwangi wa tene, Roger Jocelyn, Kipkemboi, Marindich Kigen, Peter Nzuki na Stephen Kihenjo ni macukiirwo thitango 23 kuria murugomereri wa thitango cia muingi augite ati thitango cia hau kabere ciari na mahitia. Thitango ici ni hamwe na ungumania na gwithondekera marua ma maheni maria monanitie ati maumite wabici-ini ya migunda niyo Athi House.
To defraud, you forged a signature of Robert Otiti in a document, namely proposed list extension for Nakuru Municipality Block 11/107, and purporting that the said document originated from the Ministry of Land, Provincial Surveyor Office, Thibitari, and signed by the said Robert Otiti, that he knew or untrue.
Oho ne mathitangĩirwo mahitia ma gwithondekera marua ma kuongerera ihinda ria kwigwatira mugunda nginyagia miaka 50.
The charge of fraudulent procuring registration of document that on 7th day of April 2021 at the Ministry of Land at the House, the Republic of Kenya, jointly with others not before court, we procured extension of this for 50 years in respect of a parcel in the municipality, Block 11/107, which led to issuance of certificate of lease to Nakuru War Memorial Hospital Limited.
Atano aya ni makanite thitango ici na riu cira uyu ukagwetwo tariki 28 wa iri na guthikiririo tariki 31 mweri wa mugwanja na tariki 1 mweri wa kanana.
Again, the hearing is on 31st July, 5th and 7th of August, mentioned on 28th February for pre-trial proceedings.
Irifotera Muthingi TV, titagwo Derek Athombe.